There's something.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm in northern King County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Genoa, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Elgin, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Fox Lake, Island Lake, Baringo, Cary, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Johnsburg, Lake Muir, Spring Grove and Fox River Grove, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 33 and 56. This includes McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Moraine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.